welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. I'm throwing everything on the screen. Comment, like, subscribe, share, hit that bell so you're notified every single time I post a video. I'm gonna jump straight into it. So for the most part, I loved almost everything about this condo. The view, location, the space I had, the price, all of that. But I had to weigh the pros and cons about this place, and one of the cons that I had to tolerate was teeny tiny, completely hideous kitchen. Y'all, this kitchen looks like it hasn't been upgraded since the 80s. Yeah. And on top of that, my landlord was extremely anal about no DIY stuff in my kitchen. It's gonna ruin my kitchen. Sir, the kitchen's already ruined, okay? It's ugly. It's ugly, yeah. But anywho, I've seen a lot of renter-friendly kitchen videos, and one thing that I noticed in all of them is that they always stick contact paper directly onto their countertop or onto the cabinets or whatever the case may be to change the look of their kitchen. But again, my landlord does not play about residue, sticky, adhesive, none of that. Y'all, I had to be real creative. But anyway, I'll be moving out of here soon, God willing. So I just wanted to show y'all the 2 kitchen renovations that I did while I was here. I've been here for 2 years now. This video is gonna show you the first renovation makeover that I had done, quick overview of how I did it, and then the main part of this video is showing you me ripping it all off so you can see how truly renter-friendly it is. If you wanna see the second kitchen makeover that I did, which I personally think came out way better than this video's, stay tuned. That video is coming after this one. So I'll start with how I got those kitchen cabinets black without any sticky residue from the contact paper. Because the cabinets were already done, I did a mini little demo on the top cabinet. Y'all, I filmed doing the kitchen, and that footage is somewhere in Spain, roaming around. Pretty much all I did here, take your poster boards, you line them up next to each other, use duct tape, tape the poster boards together, take your peeling stick, peel it off, stick it to the poster board. It's that simple. And as you can see, these cabinets are perfectly fine. There's no residue. They're ugly as ever, but they are just fine. This little raggedy little countertop is perfectly fine. Okay. So the same method that I used on the countertops, exact same method I used here. Computer paper is fine. It's stuck to the back of this. And there's zero residue.